Hi all and welcome back. We are tackling the XC coupe this week. Another wonderful series. I was partly wondering whether or not people on this channel who like the videos would prefer it the way they currently are, where it's like 3 small videos, or would you guys prefer it to be you wait a bit longer and have one video that's all the bits mashed together? I need some feedback on that one to find out if that's a viable option. But today we're tackling part 1 of the back panel of this. I've just been noticing how spectacularly, I don't even know if there's a nice way to say this or not, but like, alright, look at this. Yeah, you got that in your mind? Then we'll just go across here. For real? I don't think I'm asking too much, but how could you not make it the same on both sides? You're not even having to do too much, it's just suppressing. But for real, how'd you... now this is my problem with this. The mob who supply these, their quality control is lacking, in my opinion. They should really be, lighting a fire under the people who make them and making them better. Because I know, like, they made this sticker years ago because so many people were complaining. So basically, instead of fixing the problem, they just put a sticker on saying, no, it's a patch, it's supposed to help you, you fix it. But then explain to me how people can make stuff like that, which is perfect, people pay good money for high quality stuff, and it's there. This is expensive, and it's borderline rubbish. The only reason I'm using it is because it is a good step in the right direction, but I just don't even think both ends are the same. I don't know how they expect people to be able to do things with these, but Jesus. I don't even like ranting too much, but it's just terrible. I don't even think it's flat. Oh well, we'll experience the issues with that you get with these. I know they've definitely changed one thing to these since years ago, because it's been probably 10 years since I bought one of these panels, and I know that they changed this distance. Because for a long time this used to be way too wide. It used to be like that wide, and every one of you had to cut them down, but it looks like they've changed that. Shame they couldn't change the rest of it to a good quality, but anyway, it's all we got at the moment. It's all you can buy for these cars. So we're just going to put it on and put that one on the wall, bin that lower panel. I've got to take off those exhaust brackets. Well, they're not exhaust brackets. There's a panel that bolts on there that they bolt to, and this one came from an. This was bought. It's all we could get at the time, and it was for an XC, and it doesn't have them, but it's pretty easy to put on. So that'll be the task for this week.